Here we go. This is absolutely nuts. Oh, are we getting one, girls? Do you think we'll have one?
We haven't seen it yet.
Hey! Oh my God, look at that.
We might stick to the cars and the quads.
Cars and the quads, cars and quads. The main man, Mike, can you tell us a little bit about your equipment?
Paramotors, these. It's basically a two-stroke engine strapped to a harness which is strapped to a back. This creates propulsion which helps your paraglider paramotoring wing fly.
Whoa! Mikey boy, not messing around. Look at him go. What about the fuel in yours? Do you need more fuel or not?
No, this is good. This is only a tiny little engine.
Yeah.
So it means it just sips of fuel.
Yeah.
So 5 litres, and that'll get me. That could get me an hour and a half if I wanted. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
If anyone fancies a coffee and a watch of a Paramotor, get yourself down to Pippa Nook. Rob's doing it for Pids right now, isn't he?
Oh, he is. It's the paraglider, actually.
Yeah.
You should do like if you stay in every container like a coffee stamp. You get to go on one of these with Rob.
This is actually insane,
Isn't it?
Looks like they're taking off in. Here we go. What? Look. Oh. That didn't go to plan, that one. Oh yeah. What about a shout out to Alfie? Won the British Championship this year, didn't you, Alf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Completed it.
Completed it. Done. Here we go. This is Rob. Rob has absolutely smashed it. Yeah, there we go.
Do you think we could get strapped up?
Pardon?
I think I should check the site from above, you know. No!
I reckon I don't need a motor to get up there, you know. Just the wind would take me. You'd never see me again.
Yeah. Do you reckon you give it a bash?
Yeah.
Grass cutter engine out it, grass cutter love. Straight on,
Banging
back.
idea, that.
Office job or a paramotor job?
I don't think that's for me, that.
How low can we go? Way! That is loose. Pidge,
Oh my God, how cool is that?
Eve, you swapping your job for?
Yeah, I'd love a go at that.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely nuts.
They're all just mates having a good time, aren't they?
Just like us right now. Let's get the beers out. Let's get the beers out. Ho ho ho! Mastered the landing. Yeah. So basically, landing award goes to Andy.
Did I win best landing?
Oh,
You won best landing, and but I'm not sure about taking off.
Take off ability, yeah.
we check before we fly. There's a thing called NOTAMs. So that tells us if there's anything going on in the area, any military exercises or anything that we need to know about. So when we checked them this morning, it's all good to go, all clear.
Awesome.
There we are, look, Pippa Nook in the stub there. That's the little dot, Pippa Nook.
Awesome.
All these shooting areas here, but we're nowhere near that, so all safe.
Yeah, awesome. Awesome. And how much would it cost for a setup like this? Like what could you get in the air for?
A good second-hand setup for around about £2,000, anywhere up to about £15,000, depending on your budget.
Say if myself with no licence wanted to get up and get going, how long would it take for me to sort of, yeah?
I was really lucky, and every day I had off over the course of a month, it was flyable weather. So I just literally rang the instructor and went out with him on my days off.
Wow.
And yeah, I was done within about 3 weeks.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, guys. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
It's hopefully people enjoy the vlog. It's a bit more exciting than watching a new bar go in. And easy as that. Literally, you don't even have to have a truck. You can have a Peugeot 308 with a bike rack on the back, loaded up as easy as that. So when you say you could probably do it for a couple of grand, yeah, you don't even need to cover transport either. So unless you're like Mike, who's got his own runway. How long's the runway, Mike?
430 metres.
Yeah, unless you like Mike, then you've got your own runway. But yeah, you can literally bike rack on the back. Job's done. Some of you might have seen on our videos that there's a stretch Bentley in the background. Oh, look at this. There's going to be more about this later on in the vids, but got this from Brentwood. The Duke of London sold us this. This is going to be for our guests. I'm going to pick them up, drop them off, take you wherever you want to go in it. 2020 Club, that's coming soon. More about that later. But yeah, it's all about these three amigos. Crazy guys. There he goes. Simple as that.
I've been sat on this chair. I've been told to tell you that my boys have come down.
All right, okay, obviously Mike and the lads are ridiculous. I've wanted to do that for ages. I'd love to learn. Apparently you can teach me and I can do a crash course in like 8 hours. But yeah, I don't know about that. Me and my little brother Alf, we're gonna get on it. So you'll probably see me and Alf paragliding soon, but we're gonna put you on to Pip. She's gonna do a little bit of takeover. Basically she loves the camera. She's just gonna be doing loads of Pip stuff going, oh yeah. Anyway, have a bit. Have a bit.
Next up is Pip Car.
This is part of my day that I don't really vlog. I don't really show off that much because it's not very exciting. But I've got a new spot to do my admin bits. But look at this. It's not a bad office, is it? So I've currently got 100 emails to do. This is part of what I do in my day, other than breakfast service, checking people in, checking containers. This is what I do. Oh my goodness, got an email about the new YouTube video. Wow. So yeah, this is what I do. Wait. This is me 2 hours later. There we go. Oh, this is me 2 hours later. I've done pretty much all my jobs. I've got 2 jobs and I've started prepping the next rota. Oh, these sofas are so comfy. Done this, bim bam bosh, done, boom, boom. But yeah, I'm gonna go check on the girls. Let's go see the girls. My little hidey spot in there, private, no entry, and I sit in the corner and you can't see anything. Cheeky or what? Hi, Abigail. Oh, a bit of salsa dancing. Hello, you alright? You look so tanned. Where have you been? Parma, Mallorca. Oh yeah, Abby left us all for ages. Oh, does this make you feel like you're in Parma again? No. Did you drop a dough or something? It's because I've been rolling them out. Rolling them what? With your tummy? Yeah. Look who it is.
Hello.
What did you just go and get?
Ice, babes. I'm a bit shy though.
What have we got here, Sam?
We have got, take a look inside.
Who are these brownies from?
Brownie points, freshly handmade in Darlington.
Lovely.
We've got the Biscoff brownies.
Classic.
And we've got the Julian brownies. Julian.
Let me see. What? Julian. Let me see. Oh. I thought they're like, I want to like take it off the top.
I don't know what they are, but I like the look of them. And then heavy. Salted caramel cornflake tart. That's salted caramel brownie. Oh. Seducing me.
These are my favourites, I think. Cookies.
Pippa the Cookie Monster.
That is a good setup for Abigail.
Good double treats.
Don't do that.
He's not gonna put it in. I think it's like, do not do that.
I think it's live or something.
And I'm like, stop it! It's live! Bloody hell.
So I'm gonna start making some more pizzas for guests. We are doing 2 sausage and caramelised onions pizza. Create the crust here. We don't like big crusts. We've tried so many different crusts out. We've had no crust, big crusts, and then this crust, which is our best. And then I'm going to turn it like a steering wheel basically. Now we've got both of them in these size, we're then going to stretch them to then make it a little bit bigger. And then there you go. Perfect size. We're going to get our tomato base, give that a good swirl. Then we're going to go in with some mozzarella. Now with toppings, we're going to get the sausage, get it from our farmer's market, which is just in Pacebridge. Caramelised onions, these are beautiful. I love these on my pizza. They are just divine. Our chef makes them homemade and they are the best caramelised onions I've ever tasted in my life. Now we've got both of our sausage and caramelised onions ready to be put in the oven. So we're just going to do that. I've got the ovens blasting already. These are meant to be about 350 to 360 degrees to cook a pizza. It's banging, really, really good pizza ovens. They are from a company called Uni. We definitely always use them. They've been probably used for the past three years. I want to say 3 or 4 years. Mint. Marcus definitely would put this in. I hope Marcus edits this. If you're Marcusing this edit, if you're editing this, Marcus, we say hi. This is like an intermission sound. Waiting for the pizza oven to heat up.